Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. Many of you have noticed I have been away this year. It has been a very challenging year to say the least. I know it has for many. I just want to say thank you to many of you who have reached out. I didn't get a chance to write back all of you, but thank you. I love you so much and appreciate you so much. I have such an amazing following. Thank you. Because my year has been challenging, I have really stepped away from a lot of things, routine, and just really focused on self-care this year. I totally needed it. I'm sure a lot of you are feeling that as well. So I took a lot of time to take care of myself. I did a lot of cool treatments at home that I love. So one of my favorite ways to pamper myself this year, and has been for a while, but I find it really soothing. It feels amazing on my skin. It's just a really cool at-home treatment you can do, like spa treatment, for a fraction of the price. But you get some amazing anti-aging benefits too. I have found it super relaxing and soothing on my skin. And that is the Nebulyft. And this is the brand new Nebulyft R2 Nebula Rosette radio frequency anti-aging device. And it is amazing, you guys. It feels so warm and soothing on the skin. I love using it at night right before bed, but it's also really great to use in the morning as well for the dark circles or puffy eyes. You'll notice a big difference from using it like that. So it has been really great. Let me share a little bit more about this amazing tool with you.
Yay, my new R2 Nebula Rosette by Nebulyft is here. This is an amazing radio frequency device by Nebulyft. If you follow my channel, you know I'm a huge fan. I've used lots of Nebulyft products and had really great results. Nebulyft takes pride in being a very high-tech beauty brand that does extensive investment research and development aimed at crafting the most user-friendly, safe, and effective at-home experience with their amazing beauty devices. This awesome device has quick hydration to reduce swelling and dark circles, so it's amazing to use in the morning if you've had a late night. It improves complexion to stay refreshed. You can get an awesome quick 7-day transformation with this. It effectively reduces nasolabial folds, fine lines, wrinkles, and neckline issues as well. They also have an amazing app for easy integration to elevate skincare with personalized skincare management to go along with your R2 device. Nebulyft uses cutting-edge technology powered by advanced technology to enhance intelligence and effectiveness. I love the ergonomic design. It is unlike any others. It is compact, lightweight, easy to hold, glides across the skin smoothly, and feels amazing. The design encourages consistent 10-minute treatments, making it easy, which is a crucial factor in achieving optimal results. So you want to be sure to use it frequently. It has an awesome temperature-controlled system too, and other firmware and other functions supported by high-quality chips, ensuring the perfect balance of comfort and safety to get the most remarkable results. It has 5 RF adjustable levels for deep, effective treatment. So compared to the R1, the R2 is obviously newer, more powerful. It has microdot 2.0 technology with 320 sensor gold micro RF dots. The R1 only had 256, so huge improvement. It has a larger panel, a larger face to accelerate collagen cell regeneration like never before. So you're going to get more treatment in shorter time as well. The R2 is more intelligent. It intuitively adjusts energy and temperature to certain facial areas. So it's going to give you optimal results for different areas of the face, such as the under eye and temple actually receive a lower energy, while thicker areas of the face receive increased energy. It is also more effective. It has 4-channel temperature control monitoring system to ensure precise temperature control with optimal comfort, ensuring amazing results. It is more comfortable. It has a smoother, flatter RF panel. It has a larger battery capacity, so you get 4 to 5 treatments at 10 minutes each with just one single charge. It is also wireless charging, which is amazing, waterproof, dustproof, and it is compact and portable as well.
So I have really loved using this device. I've had some really great results. Like I said, just amazing for self-care and feeling good. It feels so good on the skin. But I notice I get a really great glow after using it. Most users will notice the very first use that you get a really great glow. One thing I really noticed that has been surprisingly amazing for me is I'm a sun worshiper. This year I spent so much time outside and I always get sunspots. I have since I was about 27, but I did not get like any sunspots this year. And I totally equate it to using this thing. I use this about 5-6 days a week. And I haven't even got any sunspots. I'm so shocked by that because normally this time of year I'm like so patchy, and I'm not this year. And I really think it's because of using this frequently. So very, very happy with that. That is like one of the big signs that gives away my age. And then of course it's great for wrinkles. So I'm 43 now. I turned 43 this summer. I'm well into my 40s, and I definitely have got these wrinkles popping up, right? But I feel like this has done such a great job of minimizing the crow's feet and fine lines. They're not as deep. So yeah, I'm so happy and pleased with that because it's looking pretty good, right? I've been very happy. So yeah, I just love it. I get really radiant skin. It just looks more youthful. Another big thing I notice almost after every use is just how soft and supple my skin feels after using it too. I've always loved that. It feels amazing. So I know you guys are going to love this. This is again the brand new R2 Nebula Rosette from Nebulyft. And right now you can get a discount on it. Check the link in my description below. And then let me know what you guys think in the comments if you tried it. If you have any questions for me, I'm happy to answer them as well. So be sure to check them out at Nebulyft. Again, the link is below. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone you think would be interested, and subscribe for free weekly awesome content. Thanks, you guys.